Okay, today we're gonna make a Macintosh Powerbook 140, 145 replacement battery. So I have removed the inside of this MacBook Powerbook battery pack 140, 170, which is the same series. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to take it apart. Okay, on how we do that. Okay, the way I have done it, like you can see here, is that carefully I have used this knife and I've been cutting through here like this, little by little, just going here all the way around, over here, all the way around, and so forth. Okay, once you get that cut through with that knife, you pop it up and you remove the inside batteries from it. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened this one up. I have two. This one is a little bit different design than the other one. Okay, this one has like no cables, just these two tabs here, but it's almost the same. Okay, so I have two to make. Now what you see here is that we have these little tabs, and what we need to do is cut those tabs out. Okay, how can we do that? Well, let me see. I know with the cutters I can probably go down here, yeah, and cut them as flat as I can. Okay, so let's do that. Let's cut all this out. To make the right space for the batteries not to interfere. Okay, so as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. We're cutting this out, leaving it as flat as I can. Okay, there's one more here. I want to leave this all flat out so I can arrange the new batteries the way I want it. So we have to normally just this is a 6 volts, 3000 milliamps. So it's a 3 amps battery pack. Okay, what I'm going to try to do, I'm gonna try to put 2 battery packs inside. That will make it a 6 amps battery pack. Okay, you can find this on AliExpress. I placed an order on AliExpress, and they were, I don't know how much I paid, but they were not too much, really. Okay, so let me zoom back here. Now I have taken most of these tabs out. I think I'm gonna remove these too. I think these ones may interfere too. So, okay. They're pretty flat though. Okay. So, one more to go, I think. And I think this is ready to assemble the new battery. Okay, I'm gonna open this up because I want to make them fit in a way that I can, let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna remove this little bit here. So 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, let's see what will be a good arrangement for the batteries. Maybe like this. One set. And I think I can squeeze 3 more like this and 2 more here. Let me see if we can arrange to do that. Okay, now that we have, these are like glued together. Oh, this is the metal. We need to oops, some tape in there. This wasn't stuck in there too well. Okay, so my idea was maybe to try to fit 3 more here. Let's see, 2 more, yeah. 2, 3 more here, like this. And like that. I think that'll be okay. Yeah, okay. I think that sounds okay. So this was better than I thought. So we need to, what we need to do here. Well, we need to run a cable. Look, wow, this is interesting. Yeah, we need to run a cable from here to here. Okay. A little piece of cable. Okay, let me turn on. Gonna cut this a little bit. Gonna solder a cable in there. And at the same time, what we need to do, let me zoom in more for you guys. Okay, so I removed from the old battery pack, from this old battery pack, I removed these heat sensors. Okay, so I'm gonna reuse one of them in order to have like a heat sensor. I'm gonna stick one of those like over here like that, maybe. Yeah, that'd be good. Something like in there. Put a little piece of tape. Okay. Okay, so there is we're gonna cut this out, and these are two. And what is the plan? Okay, well, the plan is maybe I run the two positives together. Yeah, why not? Then we join we can join these two negatives together with this. Okay, yeah, that will do. Okay, let me do that. Yeah. Okay, so I need to run a cable from there to there. So let me get a good quality cable. I got a good cable that can handle that bit of power there. Okay, I'm looking over here to okay, we need to want to make that jumper from here to this other battery. So what we need to do, I need to solder this back here. I'm gonna use this piece over here, and I'm gonna use it for two purposes. First, to use the sensor, and the second to continue doing the connection for the battery pack. Okay, as you can see, we're gonna solder this here. Maybe we need a little bit more heat. Okay, I think we got it. You got it set there. Let me tint this over here. That over there. Now we need to solder. Well, let me solder this over here. Okay, this is looking good there. All right. Sorry for the camera. Keeps like dropping down. Okay. So we have the heat sensor attached to the battery. And now we need to solder this back over there. Already? So this is what we'll do. Okay. I'm gonna solder this back here. This is jumper. I don't know, maybe I zoom back a little bit, so okay. So now we have it. Okay, let's solder this back in here. Well, no, I'm gonna just make it shorter though. I'm gonna cut it more, okay? I'm gonna tint this, the sticker. Okay. Okay. I have soldered that. Now what we need to do is join where can we do that? Well, I can probably, since this is long enough, I can probably do the negatives over here. Can do here, here, and over here. I'm gonna cut them all together here. Okay. I'm gonna strip them Good. 1, 2. The cable from new batteries. 3, 4. Okay, the same here. This one. This cable is very thin though. 1, 2. The original Apple cable. 3. Already. So now we'll solder these together. These 4 together. Okay, we got that. These are 2 different type of cables. I think I need to make a little bit longer to twist them between. Just a little bit more. And over here. So here we have it. Now I twist it. One cable is like copper, but the other one is a different type of cable. Okay, let's see if we can. Just gonna cut the tip. Now time for the positive side. Okay. I think we have things attached. Zooming a little over here. And gonna test. I know you can't probably see this digital tester, so let's use this analog tester. Okay, so let's do it in 10. Now let's measure positive and negative. You can see 6.2 volts. Okay, scale of 10. This is 6 over here, so we have power at the connector, at the, let's, like I says negative and positive. Okay, there you have it, 6.2. Okay, so now we're done. The battery is all set and ready to go. Okay, so we have one battery pack over here, and I have split the other battery pack, 3 cells here and 2 cells over here, and I have transferred the heat sensor, this heat sensor from the old battery, which is 70 degrees Celsius. If it reaches 70 degrees Celsius, then we get an open circuit from the battery pack. Okay, so that's the way it works. Alrighty, so now we can, well, if we want, we can, I have protect one side of the cells. I can add the second one if I want. I can split this wire and probably add the second one over here. But I don't think we need that much though, but we'll think about it. We can do that too, okay? I'm gonna see if I can tape this and maybe close the enclosure and do the test. Okay, we're gonna isolate the negative. This is a good 3M tape, electrical tape. We'll hold that cable like that over here. Okay, I'm gonna cover that with a little bit more tape. And then what we need to do, what else we need to do is we need to close this cover. I'm gonna use maybe don't know, maybe hot glue for the batteries, or clear silicone. Okay, so the option of the glue is there. Okay, so now it's time to close this boy up. Okay, I think I can we can test this like that, yeah. Okay, so let me do the test. I pause this and continue in a bit. Okay, we're gonna do the test of the battery pack. Okay, you can see no power cord, and we power on. power up again. We're doing this battery pack test. As you can see, nothing connected on it other than the battery pack. Now with this mod we have managed to squeeze two battery packs of 3000 amps, 6 volts. I have purchased that from China, AliExpress. Each battery pack cost me about €7, so it's not too bad. Okay, 14.50 euros. I have a new battery pack for the Powerbook, and I jam in there 2 packs, so that will make it a 6 amps power pack. Okay, so with this we finish, we're done. We can what we can do here, we can put this on pause, minimize, power off. See, it's all portable now. We bring this back in here, power back on, and we are back into business. See, now we're on. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.